Okay, so module 2 is all about Feng Shui tips. The main goal of Feng Shui is to rejuvenate and harmonize you with your environment. So it's important for you to act intuitively and to focus on your intent right from the start. With life being so stressful for many, when it comes to your home environment, it's a good idea to create your own sanctuary. Now you're going to start to take Feng Shui just simply at the beginning. It can be very, very complex, and that's why we've called this a foundation course, but let's start to look at it in a simple and basic format. So you're increasing the positive flow of energy around you and beginning to eliminate energy blockages. So the first thing is to eradicate clutter. It's easy to hoard items, filling up cardboard space and having no room left when you look around. So it's about the first thing you need to do is to eradicate any clutter that you have and clear out any unwanted items. The second thing is to invest in a little home TLC. So think about giving the entrance to your home a little tender loving care and breathe new life into any tired surroundings. A great starting point is your own front door. The entrance is really important in Feng Shui because it's the way that qi and all the opportunities enter into your life. It's an easy but essential quick fix to ensure that the way leading towards the house is obstacle free without clutter so that the energy flows freely. Also ensuring that there's space within the hallway. The third is lighting. Now this is very important and makes a great positive change when starting to use Feng Shui. Focus your attention on the existing lighting throughout your house, but especially in the entryway and the porch area. In Feng Shui terms, bright lights in the hallway are said to promote career and finances. The fourth thing, taking care of your home one room at a time. So it's freshening up paintwork, making your home feel revitalized and filled with positive energy. The fifth thing is thinking about the position of your furniture. It's not just about being aesthetically pleasing, although this helps, but if you don't have furniture in a direct alignment to the door, instead position it so you're able to see the entrance. The next is wooden beams. Position your furniture so that you're not sitting or lying under the beams or beneath any ceiling fans. The ethos there is that they disturb the energy around you, especially if you spend a lot of time in those areas. The next is to personalize your space. Surround yourself with those items that you care about and removing items you only keep through obligation. Number 8, nature helps to realign your energy field, so bring the natural world into your home. This can be through plants and flowers, water features, or even pictures of nature. 9, if you're struggling to find the right work-life balance, then it's time to make changes. Learning about the basics of yin and yang balance. Number 10, to bring positive wealth and abundance, light up the dark corners in your house, adding a fish tank, a fountain, wind chimes, and fresh flowers. Number 11, if you feel that there's too much yin energy, add some contrasting yang energy by adding sculptures in your house. If there's too much yang energy, increase the amount of light in your house and play soft, lilting music. Now these are quick tips to get you started, but one approach is that you always make the changes in a positive light. Stay focused and be sure of your intent, and you'll feel the difference. So there's 2 self-assessment tasks at the end of module 2. Once you've done those, I'll see you on module 3. Have a great day.